Sitting outside of the listing, 220 9th Street. Single, detached property, about 1,500 square feet. 3 beds, 1 bath, a large backyard. Got a driveway here on the side of the property. It's a quiet street. Listing price $197,500. Got 2 entries. This door right here will take you into the family room, and then you got the side door over here. And we're gonna go take a peek inside of the property. I'm gonna show you off the space. Seller does have some items around the property. She was actually under contract to purchase a property. It did end up falling through, so she had to move a lot of her stuff from out of storage back into the property. So you're going to see a lot of items around the house, but don't be too alarmed with that. I just want you to get a feel for the space because, you know, she's going to be moving a lot of this stuff out. So, all right, and so living room, dining room area here, living room. You got about 16 feet from this wall to that wall. You're about 25 feet in length from that wall to that wall. As you can see, very spacious. Give you guys a nice look around. That is my cellar. Say hi, everybody.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
All right. So, a lot of space in here, guys, and we can get very creative with how you want to take over this space here. Family room back here. You got a large bay window. I mean, you got a ton of natural light in this house. I mean, there aren't too many properties that give you this much natural light. There aren't too many properties around here. This is one of the only singles on this block, so and one of the biggest. You got a closet here. Closet is 7 feet wide by 3 feet deep. Got another entry way in here, as I explained, from outside, so you can get in through the family room, or you can get in through the living room out back. But as you can see, you got a lot of space. You don't have to share with anyone else. You're not attached to anyone else. This is one of the only singles on the block. Here we are, kitchen. Kitchen dimensions are 16 by 11. So you're 11 from wall to wall here. You're 16 from that wall to this wall. Got your glass sliders. Takes you out to the large backyard. Laundry room is conveniently in the kitchen. So you got your washer and dryer. She's going to be taking the washer and dryer. She just purchased them. She was going to be moving them into the new property. But then the deal fell. She had to get everything back in. So you're about 7 feet from this wall to that wall. You're about 4 feet of depth. Got the nice window in here to bring in some of that natural light. But definitely a nice sizable kitchen. Even if you wanted to get creative, you could possibly take a wall out and kind of open everything up. All right, we're gonna pop into the basement real quick. Put the light on down here for you. And basement's unfinished. But you got your HVAC here. We got a sump pump. Okay, so HVAC, your forced air. And then we got electrical panel back in the corner. And then we have a hot water heater right there. That is your water meter, some filtration system. And you're set up for cable right there. The deep freezer right here will be staying. So you'll have a deep freezer if you want one. If not, you'll be responsible for getting that deep freezer out. So that's the basement. All right, so here's a bathroom. We're 8 by 8 in the bathroom, sink, toilet. And here's your shower, tub, a window, obviously. Okay. And then here's your bedroom, 11 by 11, natural light. Got closet space here. Sorry. And then we got bedroom 2, 11 by 11. Got some closet space in here as well. Nice big windows. Okay. And then you see over here, got another window, illuminates the space very well. All right, here's the attic space. So this is all storage, but as you can see, it goes back pretty far. So, and all these totes, like I said before, she was moving, and just had to put some of this stuff back in. So, obviously, there is space up here for storage. Bedroom.
This is the master bedroom, and this is a very nice, bright room. It's the biggest, it's only the biggest room in the house. And you got 2 windows right here, and that window right here converts you to the roof. And
Okay. And we're 16 by 11 in that room. Okay. All right, so this is huge backyard. Okay. This property here was just purchased. They're actually in the process of doing the renovation on that property. So that, I wonder if that'll be hitting the market pretty soon. You got a shed here. She's just using it for storage at the moment. So the story on the yard here, obviously where you see the perimeter, is my seller's husband at one point was building a garage. He ended up getting sick, and he passed away. So he was never able to finish the garage, but he was in the process of putting the foundation in. As you can see, you got the cinder block all around, and so that's what he was planning on doing. He was going to extend the driveway up and then put a garage here in that space. So that's what you guys see there. But as you can see, I mean, this is a huge backyard. So yeah, I mean, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.